Guys, today in this video I'll show you that how can you root your Android devices easily. I have seen many people saying that their Android devices cannot be rooted just because their Android version is above 7. But you don't need to worry at all. Congratulations. If still your mobile is having Android version 5.1 or above till Android 10, you can still root your Android device. Before starting the video, just click the subscribe button below and subscribe my channel, like and share the video to your friends so that they can be benefited from the above given trick. Go to your Chrome browser or any other browser you have and type VMOS and search. Just open up the first link given here, that is vmos.com. VMOS actually is a Android system that is installed in your mobile, and your mobile it works independently in other devices. It develops its own independent Android system. That's why it roots itself, making your Android device rooted. You can download it from the second option, that is VMOS download. The download would start directly with one click. You should download it yourself because I have already downloaded it, and I would skip this step now. I would go to the download section and install my software. It would hardly take 20 to 30 seconds only for installing the VMOS. Wait for these 20 to 30 seconds, and once your app is installed you can open it in your mobile. Hence the app is installed. Now click the open button. Your app will be loaded. You can scroll over and enter VMOS. It would ask a permission for using a floating window mode. Okay, turn it on. Go down and give this permission to the app. Go back. Then it would ask some permissions. Authorize them. Allow, 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 allow. Okay. It would here take a few seconds only to install some ROM for you. Wait for a while. And here it would consume no data at all. Now Android system VMOS is starting. It's actually a type of engine, that's why it would take roughly 2 minutes. Here it is written for 5 to 10 minutes, but it would roughly take 2 to 3 minutes only, because if your mobile speed is good, it depends upon your mobile speed. That's why you don't need to worry at all. For my mobile it takes only 1 minute or less than that. Wait, because it's just starting for the first time, that's why it is taking a little more time. Once it is started for the first time, it would take very less time to start the engine. Now it's about to complete, just, and we are done with that. Okay, now getting towards the next step. It is asking for downloading VMOS Unlocker on the Google Play, but once we click here we would not find any item because it's not there, the link isn't given rightly. Go back, click here and minimize it. VMOS unlocker. Here's no VMOS unlocker, that's why you need to search it over Google. VMOS unlocker, and you can download it from the first link given, VMOS unlocker 2.16. I have already downloaded it, hence I would not download it once more. I can open it from my downloads. VMOS unlocker, install. It would also take only 10 to 20 seconds in installation. It's not installed yet because we have downloaded an installer for installing VMOS unlocker. We would install it now. Yeah, here it's given install VMOS installer. Okay, allow. It would speed up my downloading speed. Just give the permission to install unknown. Now install VMOS tool. Don't need to open it, just open your VMOS, and successfully you have installed your VMOS. Now go to your settings. Here there is an option for root. Enable root, and it would give you a notification for watching video, but there would be no video at all. It would just take 30 seconds. You have to wait just for 30 seconds and it would automatically enable root. Just wait over here for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds it would enable our device to be rooted. You don't need to click anywhere, don't need to again press the root button. Just wait 30 seconds. Yes, now restart our VMOS app. Now it would take, I think, comparatively less time. Loaded all its components. And it started in just 10 to 20 seconds only. Now we can check root option. It's enabled. Now we can disable root, but we don't need to do so. Go back, scroll up. There is a file transfer option. You can import files from your mobile to the VMOS app. Now import root checker. Where's root checker? Yes, this is root checker, and yes, okay, import it. It would install in just 3 to 4 seconds. Yes, it's installed. We have seen the notification given on the screen. Click on the root checker. Agree. Get started. Now verify the root. It would ask us the super user request because we have our device have been rooted now. Now verify it. and hence it's given congratulations, root access is properly installed on our device. It's showing Android version 5.1.1. Whatever it is showing, you don't need to worry at all, because it's an app that is rooted. You can install it's actually a new Android in your Android phone. It has a Play Store where you can log into your ID or not. Everything that your Android has, it also has in it. Now, minimizing VMOS app, we should check our mobile root status, that is it rooted or not. But our mobile is not rooted still, because we haven't rooted our mobile. Just a VMOS app that is an Android system itself is rooted. We again check our VMOS root status and it's rooted. We can see the message over here: congratulations, root access is properly installed on your device. You can install any device, any app, anything you want that our rooted mobile can handle. Everything will be done okay without any issue. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.